A guide describing the function and capabilities of this application is available here. To activate the Z-View mode, click here. To begin, select Disassembly Principles. Of the three choices displayed, Principles, Structure, and Disassembly, select Principles. The 6 major axis joint components of the industrial robot are available for exploration. Each model may be enlarged and rotated for further understanding. The structure interface details the same 6 axis joints, and the post-explosion view provides the ability to explode the part to see its full composition. The entire exploded view may be moved in unison, or by selecting individual, each separate part may be viewed in detail. The rotation of each axis joint is on full display within this section. Note the text box explaining the selected parts. The disassembly training feature provides the ability to disassemble the industrial robot. A parts bin containing the components and fasteners here, and a tool bin containing the common and specialty tools required here, are everything you need to master the disassembly at the tip of your stylus. The steps of the disassembly process and the tool required to complete the process are detailed here in this text box. Tips assist you with the disassembly process by highlighting green. Follow the steps to master the disassembly of the axis joints. Returning back to the home screen provides the choices of safety and periodic maintenance. By entering the safety interface, you are required to follow proper safety procedures and appropriate dress before entering the robot cage and operating or maintaining the robot. Safety training is provided in both power on and power off modes. Within the maintenance interface, you will be required to inspect the cables, teach pendant, and operation of the 6 axis joints. By following the operating tips, you will learn proper safety and maintenance procedures for the industrial robot. You are now prepared to enjoy Industrial Robotics Mechanic by GTA FE.